This is the 2020 Yamaha YXZ 1000R SS XTR Ultimate Package. For years, our dealership has been offering what we call rally packages. They're popular equipment groups that we install on the YXZ 1000 as well as our other side-by-side models. These accessories typically are aimed at additional vehicle comfort, capability, and performance. On this YXZ, we've basically taken every rally package that we've developed in the past and put it on one vehicle, hence the Ultimate Package. First, taking a look at how we increase cab comfort, we've added the factory low-profile poly sport roof, and then we do have full front and rear windshields that are poly as well. Both are made by Spike Powersports and offer venting, so that way you can get additional airflow when both are installed. And they are also quick detach, meaning you can remove the front and rear panel in a matter of seconds for those hot summer months when you don't need a windshield. On the inside, we've added some tech essentials, starting with the Yamaha Adventure Pro. It's powered by Magellan, gives you off-road GPS as well as additional vehicle readouts right on a color 7-inch touchscreen. For audio, we've gone with the Wet Sounds Stealth 10-speaker soundbar. Gives you Bluetooth connectivity as well as auxiliary input. This thing puts out plenty of sound, so you can definitely hear it over the engine in the YXZ. For additional touches, we do have the LED interior lights. They're standard on the XTR edition, and then to round out for safety, we've added in the GYTR 4-point harnesses. With a focus on improved off-road capability as well as vehicle protection, this XTR Ultimate Edition comes with a number of upgrades. Starting up front, we do have a new bumper for 2020. This is factory equipped and color matched for the XTR's titanium bronze. It is also equipped with a Warn 4,500 pound winch VRX series, standard from the factory. For 2020, Yamaha has made some additional upgrades to the front of the chassis, so it is easier to install a winch even on a non-XTR model. Also up front, we do have a set of dual LED lights integrated into the front fascia here. They are hardwired into the factory high beam functionality, so there's no additional switch gear inside, and they just come on automatically when you activate the high beams on the headlights. For more lighting, we added a 32-inch class LED light bar from Open Trail. It's a dual row LED and also has DRL functionality, so it just gives you a cool glow for in the daytime when you're not using it. Down the side, we added Nerf bars that are available from SuperATV. Taking a quick look at the wheels and tires, the XTR edition does come factory equipped with these beadlocks, 14-inch wheels. They are color matched with the matte titanium bronze. The XTR does also have a unique tire compared to the rest of the lineup. We've got a Maxxis Carnage tire, 29-inch with 8-ply rating. Lastly, out back, we did add the Yamaha cargo box. This does give you some additional storage outside of the cab to keep anything clean and dry. Does install into the bed pretty quick and easy and does not interfere with your ability to get in to maintain the vehicle as well as the cooling system. The last thing we're going to take a look at, and probably the most important part of our Ultimate Package, is the GYTR Turbo Kit. Out of the box, Yamaha claims that this increases horsepower 60%, so when you run the numbers, that should give us 179 horsepower at the crank. But we figured for our Ultimate Edition, that wasn't enough. So we went to Alba Racing, did their Stage 2 ECU tune, and coupled with the Graves Motorsports slip-on exhaust gives us a claimed 200 horsepower at the crank. That's on stock injectors and the stock engine. The ECU tuning from them also gives us full RPMs in 5th gear with no speed limiter, as well as lower activation temperatures for the cooling fans. So that's been a look at our Ultimate Package for the 2020 YXZ 1000R. If you want to see more of the YXZ Turbo, keep an eye on our YouTube channel for future videos. This has been Ernie with Miller's Motorsports. Thank you for watching.